Are you searching for the best red light masks in 2025 to achieve flawless skin? You're in the right place, because after rigorous testing of 10 devices over a year, we're revealing the absolute top 5 that genuinely deliver. Many believe all red light masks are created equal, but this couldn't be further from the truth. The shocking secret isn't just about wavelength. The real game changer is irradiance. How much light energy actually reaches your skin per session. You'll want to check out the links in the description below to buy these top picks and start your transformation early. Number 1. Shark CryoGlow stands out, particularly for its innovative combination of red, near-infrared, and blue light routines, addressing both aging and clearing skin concerns with precision. Then, Number 2. The Dr. Dennis Gross DRX SpectraLite FaceWare Pro, while impressive, shows us that strategic bulb placement is key for even coverage and maximum efficacy. Don't fall for masks that skimp on this crucial detail. Next up, Number 3. The CurrentBody Skin LED Face Mask consistently impressed testers with its high irradiance and flexible design, making daily use effortless and delivering visible reductions in fine lines and boosted collagen. Following that, Number 4. Omnilux Contour Face proved its worth with powerful therapeutic wavelengths targeting deeper skin layers, perfect for firming skin and tackling stubborn dark circles. And finally, Number 5. The HigherDOSE Red Light Mask rounds out our list, celebrated for its robust energy delivery and ability to significantly reduce inflammation and redness, making it a must-have for sensitive skin types. These masks aren't just fads. They leverage proven science for anti-aging, acne treatment, and boosting collagen production. Remember, consistency is absolutely vital for seeing dramatic results in just a month or two. Discover which of these top red light masks will revolutionize your skincare routine today.